4 years ago, we ceramic coated this vehicle right here at Miranda Detailing. Today it's back in our shop, and we're about to find out if that coating still has what it takes. Has it held up, or has it failed? Let's find out. Welcome to Miranda Detailing. We specialize in ceramic coatings right here in Chesterfield, Virginia, which is just outside of Richmond, Virginia. And like I mentioned, we have this Acura in for a ceramic coating maintenance detail. It was ceramic coated in June of 21. And now it's June of 25. And we're gonna detail it with some amazing products, and let's see if the coating has failed. And if you're enjoying videos like this, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. It's free and it really helps out the channel.
I'm Jessica from Miranda Detailing. Of course
Now the vehicle is cleaned and rinsed, and we also rinse it with DI water. With our DI water system here, we don't have to worry about having any water spots dry on the paint. In fact, we can even just leave it out here to air dry, and there would be no spots. There might be a little streak here and there, but that's why we towel dry properly. Get everything nice and dry, and then we'll also top it. What does that mean?